Hey, I'm Rashad and welcome to the channel. This is the Pinterest ads and Clickbank affiliate marketing case study, part 1, where we're going over how to pick the best offers on Clickbank to promote. I made this video because I don't think there's any other videos right now on YouTube where you go under the hood of a Pinterest ads and Clickbank marketing campaign. So I want to go show the offer, all the ads, everything under the hood, so you guys know exactly what to expect when you start running your ads. All right, so without further ado, number 1 is establishing a Pinterest business account. Now this is obvious, but you want to go over to Pinterest.com and click sign up. It's a pretty simple process. It's like any other social media app. And then you want to make sure when you go to your dashboard after you create your account that you convert it into a business account so you can get your analytics for your visitors and also be able to run ads. All right. So number 2 is create an account with Clickbank. So Clickbank is the affiliate marketplace or the affiliate network that we're going to be running ads from. All right, let's go back here. All right, so this is, if you go to clickbank.com, this is the website that pops up. It says Clickbank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. Yeah, they've been around for quite some time, and you'll see once we get to the marketplace, it looks kind of like from the 90s. So you click sign up. And regular stuff, they will ask for your tax information. So if you have an LLC, you put in your EIN, or you're just a sole proprietor just working on your own, you'll put in your social security number. All right, so for number 3, we're going to head to the Clickbank marketplace, and this is where you can see all of the different affiliate products that are available to promote. And so let's go to your dashboard here. So this is what your dashboard will look like. This is what your dashboard will look like. Once you sign up for Clickbank, you'll go down and you'll select your account nickname, and it'll bring up the dashboard of the Clickbank, and then you'll click Marketplace in the upper right hand corner, and here you'll see the different categories or their niches, from arts and entertainment to cooking, e-business, health and fitness, you name it. And so the thing you want to look at when you're picking your product is, first, if you are already familiar with like a particular niche, you may want to stick to that because you're familiar with it and you'll know exactly what that audience needs. Other than that, you want to stick to the top 3 niches, which are health, wealth, and relationships. And all those 3 are like even more, apparent that people need them with the pandemic going on. For one, health, people want to stay healthy so they can fight off any infections if they happen to get one. Wealth, a lot of people lost their jobs, and other people are scared of losing their jobs, so they may be looking for another source of income. And then relationships, anytime there's like an economic recession or depression or whatever, money is tighter, you argue more, things happen. So relationships is also another niche that could be a moneymaker during the pandemic. All right, and so that is what we'll select. So but once we go in here, so I'm familiar with the keto niche. I'm actually on the keto diet right now, and I've got some success with it. So I'm gonna stick to keto offers on Clickbank. And so we'll go to health and fitness, click gravity, come down, and here. So here's the custom keto diet. This is the one that we're gonna try and promote. If you're enjoying the case study so far, make sure you show some love by hitting the like button and hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss out on part 2 of the case study. Now back to the video. All right, number 4, once you selected your offer, you want to look at the offer's key characteristics, being its initial conversion amount. So that's after you promote it and someone makes a purchase, how much you get paid. Also, if there's any other recurring income that comes from it, or if there are maybe upsells that you can get additional commissions from. There's another thing that you want to look out for that's called gravity. And let's go back to the offer. So you can see, looking at the custom keto diet, you'll see the stats. So you got the average commission per conversion, which is $42.77. And then you come down here. So this is the initial. So once someone buys the product, that's your initial commission. I think it's actually $37. So it's like a 75% commission there, which is pretty good. Recurring rebill. So this is an upsell that they have in the funnel of $21. And the gravity. So the gravity is the number of unique affiliates that have made a sale with that product within the last month. And so I've seen on YouTube that some will say, go for the higher gravity product because they're more popular. And the other people say the higher the gravity, like this is 300, that's more competition and you may be paying more for the ads. But we're going to select it anyway because I don't know, I kind of feel like if it's 300 people that's making commission within the last month, that means it sells and it sells well. So we're going to ahead and select that. Number 5, you want to collect as much data as you can about the offer from either the sales page or the dedicated affiliate page that's made for affiliates to help us out. So let's go and check that out right now. All right, so let's go ahead and click on the offer. All right, here's the custom keto diet. Get your custom keto diet plan. They have a video. I believe it's about 15 to 20 minutes. It's pretty long. But once the customer or the lead is ready enough to, or prepared enough or hot enough to go ahead and start the order, they'll click get your custom keto diet. And then it's kind of a quiz style. So you select male for me. Let's see. I'll say average activity. Beef, fish. Well, let's do chicken and fish. Bacon too. I like bacon. Veggies. All these are good. Eggs, nuts, cheese, cottage cheese. Nope, no coconut butter. Okay, so 26, 5, 10, all the way to 28. Let's do 190. Okay, your 60-day personal keto diet is ready. Here's a summary, and it shows me my recommended calories to eat, my macros, my fats. So macros, so that's something that you would know if you're in the keto space or you're into tracking what you eat. That's one of the things that you may not have known if you weren't familiar with keto. For example, that's what I was saying. Try and select an offer that you're familiar with. It'll make it a lot easier. So here's some more macros. Daily water intake is pretty in depth. Then they've got some testimonials. Looks like this: fully automated and editable. It's kind of weird. All right, then you click get it now. Let's take a shot, and I just put a dummy in. GG, yeah, GG at Gmail. Just put some Gmail. All right. All right, and then once you put that in, they'll say $37. Complete the order. Okay, and then from there, that's when they'll pay and you'll get your commission. And it looks like a little upsell there. All right, then going back, so that's going through the actual offer, right? So now we're gonna go to the affiliate page, and the affiliate page is specifically for us, made by that particular vendor to help us get more sales. So make sure you come here. Let's do. I'm already on this list, so. Oh geez. Okay, here we go. I didn't like that email I put in. All right, well here's the affiliate page. There is some cool stuff I believe on this page. So they're basically informing you about it. I want to personally thank you for becoming an affiliate. I guarantee you're going to love the conversions you get from this offer. Brought to you from the creators of multiple million-dollar offers in several different niches. Rest assured, we know what we're doing to maximize conversions and put money into your pocket. Okay, I won't read all this, but this is important. We follow up with every opt-in. Just remember, we opt in when we just completed that order or went to the checkout. That doesn't buy to sell them on the great features and benefits of a keto diet, and also follow up buyers to upsell additional products to maximize the ROI. And that's really good because you on the front end you may only see $24 commission for maybe 3 or 4 different sales, but maybe a week later you get another $20 from those upsells because they're following up with these leads for you on your behalf, which is pretty good. It's also look like to be a quality offer, but they do provide, they say, first class 24/7 support, right? So and probably some more somewhat useful information out here. It's just kind of an introduction. Um, Here's some of your affiliate links. So you got the standard link, which I'm guessing is that video that we saw. Another one is straight to the keto quiz. So that's one you select male or female. You also got the option to offer a 1-day free trial instead of that 37 initially. And you got a straight to text sales page. What else? This is all what you're getting in the offer. So it's an 8-week plan with your macros and calories, detailed recipes, shopping list. It's pretty good, and some testimonials. So, and just check this out. So you got a bunch of different stuff that they offer you: banners, social media. Like you got to download some of the stuff, lead magnets. So they got recipe book, landing pages, videos. And one thing that we want to look at is that those customer demographics, but looking like mostly women, middle aged to a little bit older, and top tier countries. Then they got articles, keywords. I mean, this is pretty. And they even have emails that you can put into your autoresponder. We'll probably just copy those and maybe just add first names or something. And then the FAQ. Yep. So we offer 75% commission on all of our digital products, including all the upsells. And then high price physical products, and we receive 40% commission. So that's 3 upsells. Wow, that's pretty good. All right. And number 6, you want to research the offer to see where other affiliates are currently promoting. And the best way to do this, and the free way to do this, is to use a website called similarweb.com. So basically, you go to similarweb.com, and then you type in the domain, or the root domain of the particular offer that you're running. So we'll copy this and paste it. Okay, I think it's, let's see, maybe we'll take the www. There it is. Just took a minute. We'll click on it. All right, and check this out. So custom keto diet. This is the affiliate offer, and I guess we're looking at November. You look at the global rank, country rank, category rank. All right, and check this out. So this is the traffic overview for the offer. So over the last year, I mean, they got 400,000 visitors in June, and they were climbing to 460, 530,000. They're coming down some now. I'm guessing maybe the winter months is a little bit slower, but I'm guessing it'll pick back up with January. Those New Year's resolutions and things, right? So you got some more information over here. So total visits 328,000. Visit duration 3 minutes. That's pretty high. That's pretty high. Bounce rate 53%. Okay. Traffic on desktop. Okay, 31%. Traffic sources. All right, direct. And referral is, see, these are the actual like affiliates here. Then you got search, social, mail, display ads. Like the display ads is the most popular behind direct. All right, and here, these are actually some of the landing pages for the top referring sites. And this is actually different than what I looked a while ago. Well, let's click on one. Let's take this. Let's work. www. Okay, he's getting this. Wow, just like that. Okay, wherever this is, cool, man. You're killing it. This is pretty simple. Number 7 is about understanding the Pinterest audience as well as the trends that are happening on that platform. So if you didn't know, Pinterest is mainly used by middle to older age women, right? So we want to make sure that demographic, that audience lines up with the offer that we're promoting. So let's look at the Pinterest demographics first. So just at a high level, looks like 71% of Pinterest users are female, right? So that's important because when we looked at our offer, 80% of our customers are women, right? So this matches up. 35% of Pinterest users are 35, between the ages of 35 and 49, right? And boom, 35 is our target. 35 to 65 is our target. Then 34% or a little bit younger. 70% of them have a college degree. 42% of U.S. women adults use Pinterest. 80% of U.S. mothers who use the internet use Pinterest. That is huge, right? So this is just aligning with our offer, right? So our demographics are fitting perfectly with this. There's some other cool ones. Let me see one. Oh yeah, so 90% of weekly pinners make purchase decisions on Pinterest. So people are on Pinterest to buy things. This is perfect because we're selling something, right? 77% of weekly pinners have discovered a new brand or product on Pinterest. So people coming to Pinterest to buy things. There's also a link between, or a correlation between what we're looking for our offer. 80% women between 35 and 65. That's pretty much the same audience that's on Pinterest. So this is working out, right? And now that we checked out the demographics, we'll go ahead and look at the trends. So you go to trends.pinterest.com, right? And you'll look at this screen and it'll pull up this. And so you can put in any term, and it'll show you the traffic over time, right? So let's click keto. All right, now looking at it, looks like it peaks in January for the New Year's resolutions, and then people start slacking off, and it kind of declines. Oh, it picks back up summertime, and then it declines probably until it goes to January of the next year. And just for fun, let's type in something popular like home decor. Home decor is popular on Pinterest, right? So let's see how it compares. All right, so it's more popular than home decor, and home decor is a pretty big niche. But yeah, you can play in this. I mean, you can put, what's another term we could use? Gifts. All right, gifts. Okay, that's even lower. I mean, gifts is a pretty broad term. I think it'd be, I would have thought it'd been more, but I guess not. But looks like it picks up near the end. So whatever product you choose to promote, make sure you go and check it out on Pinterest to see if there's a good amount of traffic going for that particular niche. And make sure you understand that the offer you're promoting should be targeted towards middle to older age women if you're going to be using Pinterest. Okay, and that wraps up the first part of the Pinterest ads and Clickbank affiliate marketing case study. I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed it, or if you learned something, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be ready for part 2. Thank you.